Alright, I decided I'd shoot this video inside of a 2000 Camaro. Got 83,000 miles on it, so they've actually not driven it much for the past 20 years. That being said, it definitely is a 20-year-old car. When you put the window all the way down, the door shifts out. Then watch this. Wait, why isn't it doing anything? Oh, someone put that in backwards. Yeah. The stereo, like, that just straight up comes off. Like, I can pull that off if I wanted to. I have no clue how that's supposed to do anything right. I wouldn't even trust putting a CD through that. I'll be honest, I don't know what half these buttons do. I know this is air conditioning. And then that's max AC. You turn it off, it sounds like you're depressurizing a bomb. The directionals? Yeah. And it just, it sounds like it's gonna break when you click it into place, like. There we go. I'm saying, like, why is that showing up on the screen? Yeah, you know, you got your lights, which I don't think the lights are even on. Center console looks ragged, although we do have money slots. Oh, it's duct taped together. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice addition. Oh, I had it in. I need to read the owner's manual. Cool. Let's see how to shift. Section 2. 232. I may have had this in the wrong gear. I'm sitting here wondering why it's not driving like a freaking Camaro. There's several different positions. P is park. Yes. R is reverse. N is neutral. We know what those are. This is for normal driving. Okay. That's where we. Yeah. So yeah, I had it in the wrong one for getting all the power. Let's see. So yeah, that's something. That's why you read the manual. Yeah, I mean, in the stereo,
you'll get up close and personal with
it's only really loud on the one side, but yeah, like you can just pop that right off, you know, and then, you know, I mean, I suppose, you know, it's not a bad idea as I mess up putting it back on. Yeah, I have no clue what this does. ASR, no clue. I'm just gonna leave it the way it was, but you know, it's not terrible. Does this window one work? Yep, and that one's backward as well. Okay, that's awesome. Genuine Chevrolet. I have not tested the horn. I don't think I'm going to. I feel like I should put it in drive and just take it on the street really quick. I think that's what we'll do. That's always a good sound to hear when you're driving a car, is when it does that. You know, it ain't bad for a 20-year-old car. And yeah, it definitely feels more like a Camaro in drive and not automatic overdrive. So that does change my opinion. I was thinking this thing might be a little bit underpowered, and then I realized, oh wait, no, that's for driving it that way. Yeah, not bad. just doesn't even sound like there's anything wrong with it either, you know? For a 20-year-old car, it sounds pretty good. All in all, not a great car, but if you want something a little bit more fuel economy wise, you know, you can get up to 29, so you're probably looking at, you know, actually you're probably looking at the same fuel economy, but you want a Camaro with less miles. That's really it. Yep, as is no dealer warranty. It's a 2000 Camaro. What can I say? It's a car for 15-year-olds that, dude, I just want a Camaro. It's not bad. As a matter of fact, it's a pretty nice car. It still has a gas cap after all these years. Pretty spacious as far as the trunk goes. Wheels are nice and shiny. That could use some fixing. Oh, not bad. Radio still works. Of course, they've replaced that. Half the controls in the car are backwards, but you know, that's what you expect. But yeah, the 2000 Camaro. All in all, it's not a bad ride. It rides smooth, handles well, and can't hear any strange noises. Is it the best car ever? No. But is it a Camaro? Absolutely. And for $5,500, it'll get you on the road in a Camaro. It's definitely worth coming to check out. And if you'd like to come check it out, please feel free to get a hold of me. My contact info is on the screen now, and it's in the description below. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really does help. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.